Good evening, Lincoln families. I'm Alan Birch, the principal here, and it is my pleasure to welcome you to Open House and the new school year. We've had a great start. The kids came back ready to learn and exciting. Even with all the new changes, they've done a really great job, and it's thanks a large part, obviously, to our teaching staff and our support staff that have really set the tone of a good year. And I couldn't do it without the administrative team, and we're going to pause right now and hear from them.
Hi, my name is Jen Tibbetts. I'm the Assistant Principal for Curriculum and Learning at Lincoln. I work closely with our teachers, our testing coordinator, and our guidance department. We have wrapped up schedule changes, and I appreciate your patience as we have gotten all of our students in the classes they need for graduation and to reach their goals. Guidance is now meeting with students and taking appointments. To make an appointment, please ask your child to go to the guidance office before school or after school or during lunch to set that appointment up. Counselors will soon be visiting classrooms. They will start with seniors and present specific information for that grade level in small groups to each class. The guidance website has those dates on there, as well as scholarship information, testing information, tutoring information, and the testing calendar. I encourage parents and students to start with the teacher if they have any questions or concerns about how class is going, but those are great resources for additional help. If your child is having any trouble with their Chromebook, please ask them to report to the Media Center at lunch. Our TechCon is available at lunch to address their needs. And if they have focus issues, those can be handled at the district, and they should email focushelp@leonschools.net to get assistance with focus. I'm excited about this year and looking forward to a great year of learning and growth. Go Trojans.
Good evening. I am Arva Demps, Assistant Principal in charge of attendance. If your child is absent, please email lincolnattendance@leonschools.net and attach doctor's notes and any other documentation you think we may need. If you know your child will be absent, pre-arranged absence forms can be found on the Lincoln website. Thank you and have a great year. Go Trojans.
Hi, my name is Brent Monroe. I'm the Assistant Principal of Discipline. Welcome everybody to Lincoln High School. If you're looking for me, I can be found over in Student Affairs. So just a few things while I have you here. I'm also in charge of parking. So remember students, if you're parking on campus, you must have a parking pass. Anyone who's does not have a parking pass and parks in someone else's spot, you will get a boot. Again, my name is Brent Monroe. Welcome to Lincoln High School. Hope you all have a great year.
Hey, I'm Deputy Weaver. Welcome back, Trojans. Hope you have a good year. If you have any issues or concerns, I'm located in Student Affairs. I'm here to make the school campus safe and make sure you have a good year. Come see me.
Good afternoon. I'm Deputy Ryan Dana with Leon County Sheriff's Office, and this is my second year as the School Resource Deputy at Lincoln, and 7 years total.
Hey everybody, my name is Heather Thompson. I'm Dean of Discipline here at Lincoln. I handle all things discipline, so hopefully I don't have to meet you on that circumstance. If you ever need anything, I'm found in Student Affairs. Welcome and go Trojans.
Hi, I'm Joe Valisi. I'm your athletic director. I'm here to help. If you have any questions, please find me in my office. If you're wanting to participate in any sports, please speak with the coaches. And if you are interested in clubs, please check our website.
So all of those administrative team members and deputies, they're here to work for you. If any of them can assist, please let us know. Certainly I'm here available for you if you need to see me. While you're in homeroom, and that's where I hope you are right now, we're in homeroom, and I need you to do a few things for me. One, we need to select parents for our school advisory council. So there's a pink sheet of paper, has a QR code on it. If you'll take a moment, scan that, and select 3 individuals to vote for, they are going to represent you as parents on our advisory committee, and that looks at our the way that we allocate our funds and the way that we work on getting better as a school and our improvement plan and all of those things. So if you take a moment and do that for me. And then if you would like to see the school improvement plan that I just mentioned, we have that online, so you can link that on our webpage. I also have paper copies up in the front office if you would like to see a paper copy of that. And then tonight, when the bell rings, we're going to go to first period. You can follow that on your Focus account. But there are paper copies in your homeroom that you can follow your student schedule, and we're going to go 5 minutes in between classes and then 5 minutes in a period with your teacher. And I understand that that's not a lot of time. It's really just to get a face and a name, and find out a little bit about that course. And if there's anything that you need in addition to that, set a time with guidance counselor. We'd love to bring you in and sit and discuss any of your questions, concerns, and give you some more time. So again, thank you for being here. We look forward to a great year. I can't wait to see you. I'll be out front and in the halls just to help you get into these classes tonight. And I hope you have a wonderful evening. And go Trojans.